Now just going into servicing complete and final checks being run with the diagnostic iPad on the engine, so we're going down to have a look. The cat doctor, he's not a vet, he's a caterpillar doctor, has performed surgery in the operating theatre here. I'm not sure that he wants to have his face on because as the dentist says when he's advertising toothpaste, we can't show you his face, but he's done a magnificent job, and we're ready for another adventure out into the wilderness. Resting assured that both engines are now in tickety-boo condition, so it's a beautiful thing. We've just scrubbed the surgery and he's cleaned up, and he's ready for another operation, which I'm sure will be forthcoming. He's in big demand, the doctor. Well, there he goes, Dr. Cat, off to another operation. Job well done. Just drifting into the afternoon sun. Very good job. If he was an Uber driver, I'd give him 5 stars, but I'm not sure if the company will ask what I thought of him, but if they do, it'll only be good.